What have I done? I wish I could run away from this ship going under. Just trying to help, hurt everyone else. Now I feel the weight of the world is on my shoulders. What can you do when your good isn't good enough, when all that you touch tumbles down? 'Cause my best intentions keep making a mess of things. I just wanna fix it somehow, but how many times will it take? Or how many times will it take for me to get it right? To get it right. Can I start again with my faith shaking? 'Cause I can't go back and undo this. I just have to stay and face my mistakes. But if I get stronger and wiser, I'll get through this. What can you do when your good isn't good enough, and all that you touch tumbles down? 'Cause my best intentions keep making a mess of things. I just wanna fix it somehow, but how many times will it take? How many times will it take for me to get it right? So I'll throw up my fist, throw a punch in the air, and accept the truth that sometimes life isn't fair. Yeah, I'll send out a wish, yeah, I'll send up a prayer, and then finally someone will see how much I care. What can you do when your good all that you touch tumbles down? Oh, my best intentions keep making a mess of things. Just wanna fix it somehow, but how many times will it take? Oh, how many times will it take to get it right? To get it right.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no hay más nada.
It's a new generation
Mr. Worldwide,
of party people.
get on the floor, darling, get on. Red one,
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby's the truth, I'm like Inception, I play with your brains, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. 'Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck, darling.
If you go hard, you gotta